Hello and welcome back to the show. Welcome to the show, everybody. Let's push this. All right. All right. I'm still on gold here. So what's happening with NQ? Jesus, what a drop. Oh my God. Since midnight, it dropped down more than 700 points. 3.6% down the NQ. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Satoshi. Yeah, it was a I think Nvidia was the big one, right? Or something. Since Friday. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll see how this goes at market open. I'm very curious. I am very, very curious how this is gonna go at the market open. Okay. So far, nothing to be seen. Nothing special here. We have some zones. I mean, to me, it looks like it wants to go back up there. Honestly, I can see 21,400. I can see 21,400 happening. 388 would be my target, and gold can also remain bullish. Maybe after sweeping some lows. Kirk, good morning. Welcome. How you doing, Kirk? All right. Still have 7 minutes to go. This one's gonna be interesting. I'm actually curious. I'm actually curious how this one's gonna go. Gold actually went to the area that we were talking about. So the long that I took was down here, and it went up there. Now it seems like it's gonna make a new low for the day. And what else do we have down there? Still some levels here, but I'd be careful to short gold. That doesn't mean it's not gonna go down, but I would be very, very, very careful to short gold. I have to wait for market open. And NQ is a tricky one. I think it wants to go up there. 388. I can imagine that happening. If the sell-off continues, then I mean, how far are we from here? 90 points from the zone. There's a 5-minute demand area at 27. which I'm not sure if it wants to go, but nevertheless, we'll see. This is the 1 minute chart, less than 4 minutes to go. I am curious. All right. All right. I was just looking at some levels. There's a 3 minute zone. Could be breaking the lows at 34. It would be very high risk to take a short here. For example, to go short there. Huh. That could be interesting. I might take it on a take profit trader evaluation. I might take it there. Who knows? I might just take it there. So that zone starts at 27. I'm going to put it here on Quant Hour. $27. All right. And that's a 3 minute zone. I would be curious to see how this goes. Less than 1 minute to go. Everybody, be careful. Be careful. This one could be a tricky one. Ten seconds. Get ready. No trades, Cloud. I am flat. So here we go. Market is... Jesus, we froze down. All right, we're dropping. I switched to trading view. No, we're not. We're not dropping. Actually, on the 15 minute, it kind of feels like it could go higher. It goes higher. There's a delay on some rhythmic providers here, but so far nothing special. Quick look on gold. Great, my chart just froze down. Awesome. Okay, Jesus, the delay is huge. Huge delay. Let me switch here. Okay, that's better. So looks like this one's making new highs here. There you go. Yeah, I think so too. I think we have this level. Why is my trading view freezing down? Anyway, I think that 388 could be a possible level that we're going to right now. I don't know what's going on with my trading view, but it's just totally messed up. At 388, yeah, I would go there. Already popped 40 points here. I don't know what the issue here, but there's a delay on my take profit trader chart here. Oh yeah, I might have to reconnect. All right, let's see. I'll try to reconnect. Yeah, we might head there. Well, it would be a little bit high, I think. But, you know, back to midnight area could be happening. Would be no surprise there. Would be no surprise there. Bulenox had a connection issue. Okay, so far we're pulling back, repricing this move. The first gap is going to be this one after the open. So this will be the first fair value gap. And we'll see how it goes from here. There is definitely an issue with my take profit trader connection. I'm also connected to tick trader. That's fine. Yeah, so you guys see the zone 388. That would be an area that I'm interested in going up to. As for gold, gold made a new low. So I think I'm just gonna stay on the sidelines on gold. This is horrendous. The connection is just horrendous. I might have to reconnect again. Let's try this. All right. So the first gap is holding price so far. I'm not in any trade. But I would say 388. It's not even loading. Maybe it's better to wait for the first 10-15 minutes to see what's going on. So far, nothing. Nothing special out of the extraordinary. So okay, the Europe server seems to be okay with Take Profit Trader. So my target, I entered the 1 micro long. I might target the upside there. At actually 375. If it gets up there, yeah, that would be a good area to go along here. I'll try that. So let me show you. Let me show you. Degen Trader, hello. Welcome. Hello there. Yeah, let me show you guys. Take Profit Trader, where is it? Here it is. Haven't even put a stop yet. So it's just a small position. Targeting the 85 actually. I'm putting it back to 84.50. I'm gonna go back to that zone up there. If it drops, it's fine. No issue. We're not gonna cry or anything. We just move on. That's it. Other than that, gold, nothing. Alright, nothing special. Nothing special. My entry is the worst, what you can imagine, but we'll see. We have news, right? We have new home sales. I have to check it, but MyFundedFutures if this news event counts as today is 27. Okay, so this is fine. We can trade this news. We can trade this news. It's completely okay. Let's see how this is gonna go. Pip Hunter is here. Hello. Hey there. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. So far, that's all. Copy trading it with Tick Tick Trader and Take Profit Trader. Sorry. Yes, Take Profit Trader. I have everything here. Yeah, London highs. Let's see. Here it is. That's why I'm saying I like that level up there. The 388.75 on the micro would be a bearish order block slash supply area. I like it very much. Also, there's a fair value gap above 66. So obviously, if it changes, no worries. We're just gonna look for something else on the downside. There's also a nice zone down there. So now it looks like it might want to go down. Nathan Godfrey, yo, what's happening? Good to see you, Nathan. How you doing? How's your day? Welcome, welcome. I'm also looking on gold, but so far there is no structure that I like. So I'm just not taking anything on gold at this moment. Instead, by the way, I think the market wants to wait for the new home sales. So that could be dangerous for me. That could be a little bit dangerous for me. But we'll see. Well, there's not much to do. We just had to sit through this. We have the levels. If it turns around, we also have another level. So that's all there is to it. I mean, if this one goes up there, this would be like 100-pointer. We're about 300 here. Let's see. We are above the 300. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, nothing to do here. Just watch. If it turns around, we're gonna be eyeballing the 27s down there. Nintendo, welcome. Good to see you. Gold doesn't really want to go higher. Seems like we're stuck here. We have the macro right now. News in 10 minutes. Well, this morning is quite interesting. We made a nice trade on gold on the London session. Now I am taking it slow again, trying to go back to a 5-minute supply area up there at 388. Taking profit at 85 if I get there. But so far, that's what I see. So, I don't know. If it fails, I'm going to try to go for this level at 27. So, that's the plan. So far, that's all. Slow morning. Yes, I mean, sometimes I did take a few trades on it in the past, like in the past couple of months. And this morning there was a very nice opportunity, and I took it. And I still see some good levels up there on gold, but first we have to wait for the move to confirm the direction. So at this point, there is nothing to do on gold. I'm listening to some great music. So what's it gonna be? Oh yeah, we still have 8 minutes. What are you guys are doing? Anyone is in a trade or something? If On my charts, I'm seeing a gap. Oh yeah, there is a gap up there. A huge gap right here. I think it's like 130 points. The new day opening, or new week opening gap actually. And I have a zone here that I like. I really like it. If it goes down, it's fine. We'll be looking for 27 then. Gold is unplugged. Still waiting. There's no clean levels anyway on gold, so any pullback entry? Well, you know, there was one small pullback here when I entered at 266. There was a small gap here. Actually, I wanted to get in earlier, but I messed up. There was a first entry here on the first fair value gap. But, you know, this was the second. Maybe if it gets back down, but I'm afraid if we go down below 55, I think it might want to reprice the 204. So then my position is out. So that's why this is a dangerous setup here. Absolutely a dangerous setup. My entry is bad. I should have entered somewhere around 40. And then maybe yeah, somewhere around 40. Now I have to take a bigger risk here. My risk, I risk I think 120 bucks or something. Something like that. Yo, definitely, absolutely, exactly, Nintendo. I'm waiting for gold to show us a nice entry, but gold is unplugged. Gold officially dead currently. Let's go! Go! Yeah, everybody's waiting for the new home sales, which is like a medium impact news, but I think it could be or should be a high impact news, because new home sales always important for the economy, like a huge indicator, I think. So just like pending home sales, I think, I mean, anyway, I think it's an important indicator, yet it has been outlined as medium impact news, but I think it's important. I think it should or will move the market, hopefully, in our favor. Maybe because gold is all about risk on and off scenarios. Now, if the new home sales are good, then obviously, well, it could be bearish for gold. If new home sales are bad, it could be bullish for gold. But some kind of reaction, not a big one. Most likely the index futures are affected, not commodities, but I'm not an economic expert, so this is just my personal thought on the matter. Yeah, we're gonna find out in less than 2 minutes. 1 minute and 20 seconds. I'm listening to the same song 5 times now. It's on a loop. Your full port? Don't do that. No, don't do that. News in 37 seconds. This is a low probability setup, just saying. All right, here comes the news. 2, 1. Here we are. Let's see. Uh, 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 uh. What's happening? Talk to me, Goose. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing. Nothing happened. All right, that's it. Gold actually going down a bit. So news should be good. News are good, right? News is good. Let me check the news. New home sales is better than expected. So news is good. Gold is bearish on the news, or should be. Venom Impact is here. Oh my god. Venom has entered the building. He's here. The man. The myth. The legend. Yeah, Nintendo. Doing okay. I'm in a small position here. Economic strength, which could lead to stronger USD pressure in gold. Yeah. That's true. That's true, Nintendo. Back from vacation. Nice. It's about time. It's about time. You know, the other day everybody was like, where is this guy? Where's Venom? Where could he be? Guess how many points? I would say about at least 200 if you guys caught the drop. Or I don't know. You know, whichever direction I look at least 200 or 300. You know. More. Jesus. You trade on your own. I see. In like 3 weeks. Oh, nice, nice. Now you're on your own. All right. So you're now out there on your own. Good job. 950 points. All right, we're banning this guy. That's it. That's. Oh my god! Congratulations, dude. I don't know how you did that. I mean, obviously, I have. That is awesome. Beautiful. I hope you full ported on Top Step. Sadly not. Oh. $9.99. Just saying. We're banning Kirk too. That is awesome. 999. He's cheating. Sure, anytime, Venom. I'll check on it. But take your time, don't worry. I'm watching this chart here and trying to figure out if I should exit the trade or not, because I don't know. Now we are in the silver bullet hour. And I have a feeling that this one might want to go back down. Yeah, unfortunately it goes down. What can we do? The problem is there's a 15-minute gap below, and the middle of that gap is right at my stop, and I just can't do anything about that. Yeah, for now it looks like it wants to go down to let me check on the 5. Yeah, it wants to go down to 128 if it starts to fall like this. Let me look at it. What was this? Yeah, unfortunately, because this created a zone. All right, I might even close the trades. Looking to close these trades or this trade. Not sure yet. Still waiting. Still just waiting. Snake? You sent it? Let me check. Oh, I see. Okay. Wow. I'm gonna look at it in detail in a second. I'm trying to decide what to do here. Trying to decide if I want to stay for the zone or I'm gonna close this trade. There's a small gap here. If it takes the liquidity from there, could be water falling down all the way to 127. But I'm not sure. I'm a little bit hesitating here. Okay, here's the decision point in this small gap. If it breaks through, we might have a chance. All right, we still have a chance here. We still have a chance. Inverted this gap. Might be picking up liquidity again. He is changing lives, yeah. Next entry would be somewhere here. If you want to go long to that zone, you can take an entry here and stop below somewhere here. If it fails and goes below 66 or 65-ish with the down close candle, then we might see the 130s. Very much seems like that's the scenario right now. Let's just wait this out for now. I think it pretty much that's the thing that's happening here. You know, sell program is reactivating. Maybe. If that's so, maybe I should be just closing this trade sometime around now, because we're not going for that zone up there. Obviously, it would have been a big hit to squeeze all these positions back up there. That would have been great. But what can we do? Let me check on gold. Gold made a new low. Back to this gap. Again, decision point here. Decision point might be dropping down. I'm looking at the levels down there. First one should be, it could be going down to 160, but It could be delivering orders still. Let's see. If we close above 33.75 or 33.50, this one still can go higher. If not, actually, I'm going to move my stop here. It's almost at break even, but I don't want to hold it longer if, you know, because if we trade below that, I'm not sure. Then I am not sure. Then we could just easily go down. Very, very, very hard to deal with this situation. Have to go with your analysis, and you can reduce risk. That's what you can do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Getting ready to drop. Then this one might go down to 162 then. $162.50. How far is that? Yeah, 100 points from the stop. I'm not confident in this trade anymore. Fresh Delgado. It's been a min. I mean, it's a micro. It's a micro trade, if that's what you're asking. Not mini, but it's a micro. But hey, if I can make it up there, maybe I can make above $200 if I can make it to the zone. Oh, it's been a minute since I've been here. And it's so hard to follow everything. What's happening, Fresh Delgado? What you up to? Any trades? This is getting more and more interesting at this level. Venom is back. Hey, including myself, lost New York Open with any. Well, it's not just about that. I think you know, when we have these kind of moves, 1,000 points drop, you gotta be careful. Anyways, all right. Seems like we're going down. Not good for me. Not happy about it, but hey, it's part of the game. Yeah, I think this trade is done. I have to set up this copy trader. Oh yeah, this is done. This is done. No worries. Okay. Almost out. I would be surprised if this one would. Okay, there you go. It was so close. It was so close. I thought that it's really, really, really gonna go. But now, you know, we came to the conclusion that this was not the trade that we were looking for. All right, never mind. One more level, 129. On the 15, there is one more zone, which is somewhere around 160. That took liquidity from down there. I'm gonna give a different color to it. Okay. In case we would be moving down there, which I think we could. So get ready. Maybe down to 167, we don't know. We haven't traded through the middle of the first fair value gap here, which is also strange. I took a short, small little short. Looking for the lower gap down there, basically the 930 gap, and I'm gonna try to follow this closely. Only with micros. Well, you know, I'm just doing my usual stuff. Just made 200 using range charts. Let's go. Not recommended, pure adrenaline. All right. Well, you know, whatever works for you. You know, that's what I say. Okay, so 2 micros here. I'm looking for this one to trade through the first fair value gap. There is a 15-minute and 5-minute demand area down there. Not a big one, but hey, I might even close one from this. Yeah, I closed one. So I'm looking for this 69.50 there. All right. Not looking good now. This was a bit of an aggressive entry to return back down, but we are back to this first gap again. So let's see. If I'm offside, at least I know. I know I'm offside. Oh, for entries and trading stop. Oh, I might look into it. Sounds interesting. Okay. It's a slow grind. Might not want to go down for it. The mid-level of that gap is right there. Uh-oh. Might just go back up to that zone that I was eyeballing at 88. Yeah, we're going back up there. It seems like it. Dang it! I really was hoping for it. I tried. I really tried. But it didn't happen. Not the way I wanted it. Let me look at gold again. Gold is still down there. I thought that NQ wants to shift to the downside, but it didn't. Yeah, I mean, we still have that 88 up there. Enter the long. It might be picking up some liquidity on this small gap. That zone is still a good target up there. Early exit if I can get there at 78.50 below the 80s. You know, if this one was a fake move, then we'll see what happens after this. Still see that zone. All right. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. There's nothing else we can do here. Not sure if it wants to go. I mean, back to the midnight area, but we do have that zone up there. Silver bullet hour is tricky. Closing down 1 micro because I don't want to lose this. Come on. I need to get back the loss. I need it. I need it. Yeah, I have to scale. If you're up, then have to scale down, obviously. That's the best thing you can do. I was having 2 small losses, so I needed to get back some profits there. I mean, some recover from some losses. And I'm still looking for this trade to go into the right direction here. I'm telling you guys, there is a zone up there. It just has to go there. It has to push it into that zone. If it goes there, I'm gonna play some music. I promise. All right. And we're gonna celebrate together if it goes there. If it goes there. I'm not gonna force you. I'm not gonna force you, but I'm, you know. Let's go! Come on, 80s, come on. Come on. I know. I told you we're going to 388. All right. I'm gonna get a YouTube strike. I don't care. Let's get back to business. All right, all right. It was fun, right? It was fun. Anyway, actually, I didn't even make too much profit, just a small amount here. But hey, I recovered from two loss. Two loss. I copy traded 3 MyFundedFutures account. I recovered from 2 losing trades. And after recovering from 2 losing trades, I managed to make $187 on this one and secured another payout from MyFundedFutures on this account. This new milestone account also made 184, and this one, actually this one was down. I made $96, almost securing some more payouts. But anyway, the Apex accounts are up, so everything is up $100. I'm doing good here. The TikTok trader accounts, oh, I haven't traded that, but anyway, everything is up, everything is green. So, and there you go, 388. That's it. All right. Microphone drop. And the session is done. And I just lost about 100 subs. No problem. Yeah. We're going up there. By the way, there is one more zone up there somewhere. I don't know. I mean, we were eyeballing with this level, this 388, since the London session. This here. So, I got tricked into a short. I thought we're gonna go down to this demand area, but we didn't. And I didn't sized up like crazy. I was just going the same 1 or 2 micro there. That was crazy. This was crazy. I'm crazy, I know. But this was fun. I liked it. Man, what a day. What a day. Should have re-entered on the TikTok trader account as well, but I haven't. I have not re-entered on that account. What's the name of that track? I'm gonna tell you exactly what's the name of this track. It's called Never Ender from Justice Tame Impala. That's it. Never Ender. Never render justice, tame Impala. That's it. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yeah. 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 Oh, come on. How do I? Okay. No problem. Victory song. I already know that as soon as I stop my stream, YouTube is sending me an email. Hey, we notified a copyright issue on your channel. Please erase the video or cut the video stream, blah blah blah, or something like that. Or you can do the following steps. Da, 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 da. Gold is actually just going down and down. By the way, speaking of these audio stuff, someone told me that I can use a virtual audio cable, which is not going to be transferring so when I play, for example, Spotify music, that is going to go for a virtual audio cable, which is not going to be in the VOD. So on the live stream, it can be heard, but it's not going to be on the VOD. So basically, we can listen to some copyright music, but it's not going to be on the VOD because it's not recording it, because it's on a separate virtual audio whatever, and we can bypass the situation. Hey Tamash, good morning. Yeah, that's a great. I'm gonna look into that so we can bypass this thing. And sometime, not always, of course, because everybody's gonna run away, but sometimes we can listen one or two good music without getting a copyright strike. Yeah, it's called, actually, you can Google it, virtual audio cable, and you have to install it as a driver on your computer, and just gotta make sure that, for example, Spotify only plays on that virtual cable, and I have to put it to the OBS as an extra audio input, but OBS should not play it on the VOD. I don't know. There's a way to set it up so we can listen to music, but the VOD is not going to have the music. So that's how Twitch streamers are doing it, as far as I heard. So anyway, this was a very, very, very nice trade. I like that. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. By the way, there's going to be. Sorry, I didn't do the video. I mean the account update about how I'm doing with the accounts. We lost two. I mean, I lost two Bulenox master accounts last week, so two Bulenox funded accounts are lost. I'm gonna have a very simple explanation, but I lost two Bulenox funded accounts. I requested to activate new one, but I still haven't received the account yet. So the good thing, I mean, the good thing and the bad thing, Kirk, is that those two accounts were actually on zero, so no profit at all. They were at 50,000. So I started to scalp on them with the mini, and I copy traded them, of course, because why not? I started to scalp on them with mini, and I did that off stream. And, you know, long story short, I got into a huge drawdown, and so when I was down like $1,500 by scalping with one mini, I was like, okay. No problem, because, you know, now the biggest goal right now, short term, is to protect the capital on these MyFundedFutures and Apex accounts, and also to build the Take Profit Trader account. Actually, the main priority is to build the Take Profit Trader account. Not yet. All right. Kirk, listen. If you would have gone from my stream, I would be devastated. I don't know what I mean. We need people like you here. For Tomasz here, it was an easy buy. I knew. I knew that he was sitting in. I'm gonna guess your entry. I'm gonna guess your entry, Tomasz. Here's your entry. I think your entry was somewhere. No troll. Somewhere here. I think that was your entry. 775. That's my pick. And you are still holding it. You are still in the buy. I think you're still holding the trade. Nah, I'm just trolling. 135. Oh yeah, from here. That was not nice entry here. Yeah, that was a nice one. Yeah, beautiful start at the market open. This one was holding. Obviously, I think many traders are holding long positions to get back to the new week opening gap above there. How far is that right now? 380-ish points. RTH gap. I'm sorry, what is RTH? Final target. You mean this one? Maybe. Let's see. I'm still looking at gold. Oh, the 25%. Okay, regular trading hours. Oh, the RTH gap. I haven't really traded that. That's the thing. Like you can do this so many ways. Look at that. Yeah, huge gap on regular trading hours here. You can do this so many ways. As I expected, we're just stuck in this zone, in this area. Who knows for how long? Oh, that was the guarantee. I see. uh, All right. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Yeah, I took a long. I don't even know, somewhere here. I tried to go. First, I tried to go long from here, but I got taken out break even. And then I tried to go short, and I got taken out again. And then I thought that after this push at 10:23 Eastern Standard, I thought we should be returning to that 388. So I made a buy from here. So this third trade that I took actually got me back from these ones and ended up in profit. Not too much profit, but still enough to, you know, knock myself out from the hole and back to the green. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean I was thinking that uh because we shifted here with this candle, we might go down into this zone right there. And so that's why this was an aggressive entry when I entered here. So I thought that at least we go down here to the 160, just to reprice the gap completely. So this could have been actually a good trade. This was almost fitting my criteria. It was aggressive, I know, but still. So, the daily bias is absolutely a good idea, but I think the bias is changing all the time, every time, intraday, multiple times. That's what I think. The bias is changing. Yeah, we didn't shift it. I was hoping that as ICT says, anticipate the move. So I was anticipating after this shift, this one, as this candle, as the candles were also printing like this, I was anticipating that we should be shifting. And for a few minutes, as you see, I was in some profit, and I was almost sure that we're gonna shift it. So I was close, but then we had this displacement, so I got back to the original plan to go back to 388. So should have just stayed with my original idea, but still. Anyway. I mean, the first presentation gap is an awesome thing, but I really don't care about it too much. So everybody, ICT came up with this first presentation gap this year, and now everybody's hyping it all up. I mean, I fully, as you guys can see, I fully put it out there, and I acknowledge the gap, but I don't really care too much about the first presentation gap. I mean, yes, I see it, and that's why I was anticipating for a shift, which didn't happen. But everybody's hyping up the first presentation gap this year, or at least, not this year, a few months ago. He came out with this new concept. Oh, when repriced. Well, it partially repriced. It went into the middle. That's why, I mean, there was still a little bit of space here to reprice it. Hey, Vivian. Doing great. Good to see you. How was the weekend? All right. So there's still a zone at 160. We might go there. We might shift the first presentation gap. And if we do, 161 maybe? I wonder if the sale program starts again. That would be interesting. It was great. Slept through to London. You missed the show. Actually, I was surprised as well. Like, what the hell? I was like, we're soon going to be reaching that 5% level when the market, you know, when there's, I mean, not the, it's 7% actually, but we were close to that 5% level anyway. Same. All right. You know, gotta get up early. Yeah, there's nothing here. I'd say we can go even lower. If I want to be super aggressive, I could take a short, but I'm not gonna take a short. But if I wanted to be super aggressive, I could have taken a short on this one, right there, right there. And target the lows down there. I might even take it on an evaluation account. How about that? Who knows? All right. I took a short only on evaluation accounts. Very tight stop. Very tight stop. I'm not doing this on funded accounts because that would be crazy. But it seems like it's still going up. Yeah, that was for CPI those. Ah, no full porting now. Done with that. No more full porting those evals. No, sir. No, sir. Can't do that. No. Tomasz is doing that with 15 minis at top step, but we're not doing that. Actually, I'm gonna get out from this one. It's only down 90 bucks. Evaluation again. But if it's still gonna go up, then it's great. I'm down for it. I'm still looking for some gold setup here. Where is my trade? Here. I'm looking for a gold trade. Come on. But gold is not going to recover. Gold just suffered so much down there and almost ready to take out 27.41. I am not going to go there. You got banned? Oh no, what did you do? I thought I'm the only one who got banned. Okay. Ja, értem. 15 az sok volt nekik. Oh. És azt hitték, hogy több. Aha, aha, értem. Értem. Hát, ez előfordul. Hey. So basically, Tamás has been copy traded by other members on Top Step, and that is prohibited, and that's why they banned him. That's not good. Okay. Well, the good news is there's like a shitload of prop firms out there we can trade with. So. Oh, okay. So it says here that additionally, trading simulator in partnership with the other individuals prohibited for multiple express funded accounts. Remember, we expect professional behavior from our traders. Any auctions that undermine professional. Oh, if you're concerned about the others copying your trades, focus on your own trading. You don't like trading. Oh, that sucks. But hey, yeah, that happened. That happened. Yeah, Kirk. Hey, if you want to make sure you make some profit, it's very simple. All you have to do is take the opposite trades, what they do on the house account. You know, if you fade them, I think someone was actually doing that. If you fade the house account, you should be in profit. You should be in profit. I don't know. I'm gonna take off one down there if it gets there. Yeah. Top step coaches are not traders. Yeah, that is actually a fact. Yeah. I mean, not in the wrong way, but they are not really there to trade. They're there to, you know, help you with the mindset. You know, I'm saying this in a positive note. So, hello, teacher FX is here. Oh, welcome. Welcome to the show. How's it going? How's it going? Are you not entertained? Top step coaches suck. Oh man. Come on, just let's take off one little micro here. So let's move on with our lives, you know. Let's just move on with our lives here. Just take off one in that small gap. This was actually the push that changed the direction. So I expect price to go down there. Take it out. And let's move on with our lives. Why is it not taking that small gap down there? I'm gonna show it. This one. So the guy with the cigar, he was talking like the big ones. Trading the demo account. Is that damn good trading? I think that's his name. I'm not sure. I mean his socials. All right, come on. Come on. This is a joke, man. Are you not entertained? Are you not only on this stream? You can only see this on this stream. Only here, everybody. It's only here. It's not happening elsewhere. Oh man, this is, you know. Only on this stream. I need to learn real ICT. Why? I did everything to do this trade properly. What do you guys want me to do here? I need the doubler. Come on. I need the doubler, which means doubler, like W, doubler. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. I have to call the market makers. There's no other way around this. This is just amazing. Ooh. There we go. All right, are we going to 55 here? I'm going to let it go to... Come on, let's party. All right. That was fun. I mean, since I'm already getting the copyright strike, then why not do it full porting, right? I mean, with the music. All right. $250. Here we go. We are taking shorts. The new day opening gap. Yeah, I saw that. It's still up there somewhere. Yeah, it's still up there. I was like, why not going back to, take out that. I mean, what is it gonna happen now again? Are we gonna touch the 50? Are we gonna touch it? You know what? I don't care. I close it. I closed it manually. All right. It was a nice trade. I think it can bounce around here, so I just want to make sure that's all right. I took this trade on Take Profit Trader and Tick Trader accounts. Very, very, very good. I'm super excited. Nice. But nevertheless, I think the 250 should be, should be taken. Look at that. Why? Because it's 50. That's why. That was my original TP right there. Oh, man. That was my original TP. Oh. This is what happens. This is what happens. How much? I made 300 each. Copy traded 2 accounts. This trade only copy traded for 2 accounts, but I'm up all of my accounts. I copy trade in small groups. This one was almost 300 on each account. This is a new Tick Trader account. 294. And this one was a Take Profit Trader account. But the MyFundedFutures accounts looking better and better. Getting ready for payout. And the new Milestone account is also up almost 184. It's a long run, I know, but I already took payouts from these accounts. So these accounts... Oh, and this one, this MyFundedFutures account, was in drawdown. And I made it back to 96 bucks. This was in drawdown. And Apex accounts are looking very nice. Above $3,000, 3,400 this one, 2,700 this one, 2,800 this one, and almost $3,000 this one. So I'm looking to take some more up trades if I can. I don't know. I mean, Take Loss Trader, Take Profit Trader. It's not Take. Maybe there's a prop firm already called Take Loss Trader. I'm not sure about that. You're not broke. Don't tell that. You have a Lamborghini, and you're making 100K trades on Top Step. At least you made. So don't say that. Top Step deducted 500K. They didn't pay you out. Come on, man. So you were having $500,000 on your live account and they did not pay you. They refunded it. They paid it? No, I don't. You don't have to show. So they paid you and now they frozen your account on Revolut. On your Revolut. Jesus. That is like, wow. That is just insane. So they paid the money to your Revolut account, and then Revolut Bank frees your assets on your account because they are sending it back to TopStep. That's what you're saying. If I'm correct. I just want to, understand it correctly. Because that is like, wow. Okay, so just to, clarify it. The money was on your Revolut account under your personal name, and Revolut froze the account because of TopStep claimed that they want their money back. That is what is happening, right? Okay. $500,000. And it's already on your account. I'm sorry. I'm saying it with all respect, my friend, but I just don't believe that. I don't care. You don't have to show me anything. I just truly don't believe that. I'm sorry, but this is just too much to take in from TopStep doing this. I just can't believe that this is true. But I'm saying this with respect. I just can't believe that. I mean, yeah, Revolut can freeze funds, yes, but TopStep, claimed that Revolut should be sending the money back to them. That is like, wow. Well, I don't want to say it like that, but I just don't believe that. I just don't believe that happened. TopStep is not doing that. What is happening here? Are we going lower or what? I think we might. There's still a zone down there. There is a 5-minute zone also here at... The low is 104. Could be. Not sure. We could be heading lower. I'm not sure. But... Yeah, but he said that the money is already on his account, so that's why. Yeah, but what he was saying is that the money is on his bank account already, on his Revolut bank account, and then TopStep called Revolut that they want their money back, $500,000. They want their money back. And so Revolut froze the account. Oh my god. Okay. It's still on it, but it's frozen because of TopStep claiming the money back. Interesting. Wow. That is like unheard of from TopStep. Wow. I'm up like $100 to $300 per account. So on the Apex accounts, I'm up $120 each on 4 accounts. On the MyFundedFutures account, I'm up almost 200 on 2 accounts each, and up almost 100 on 1 account, and up almost 300 on 2 accounts each on Take Profit Trader and Tick Trader. Yeah, have to trade. I mean, obviously the end goal is to trade our own capital, you know. I think that would be the end goal for every one of us, you know, to trade our own capital. That's the goal, I think, for everyone. Uh, to trade with your own money. Oh yeah, Thomas is trading on Robins here. He is on Robins. Actually, by the way, at the entering the Robbins Cup is actually a very good thing. Not just to win the Robbins Cup, but to build some reputation. That's also a good thing. You know, to enter the Robbins Cup. Oh, and I'm global. Oh, I see. Well, if you're in the Robbins Cup, then it's definitely a good thing to build reputation. That's an absolutely good thing. Yeah. By the way, which there are some regulated UK prop firms. The only one I know is Audacity Capital, but I think there are some others as well. I'm not sure which ones, but it's definitely a good thing maybe to trade with a regulated prop firm. I actually want to look into this because at least they cannot do some dirty tricks on you. Couple of UK. Okay. No futures. Yeah, I saw that they only offer forex. You cannot even trade gold, so commodities, only forex pairs on some of them. Yeah, maybe it's even a good thing if you can trade CFD, but some of them I think only allow forex. And with the leverage is like 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, something like that. You can trade gold with CFD. Okay, so the leverage they said it's around 1 to 5, 1 to 10. So the very, very small leverage. But hey, they are regulated at least. So that's a good thing at least. Topstep is a good company. I know. Topstep is a good one. UK are spread betting accounts. Every UK broker. Oh yeah, I have to look into that too. The spread betting accounts, tax free for UK residents. Yeah, I heard that too. And I gotta look into that. Spread betting accounts. Look at that. We might go down to that 160. That's a 15-minute zone. I'm not entering, but Oh yeah, you're already in drawdown because of spread and slippage. Yeah. City Index, one of the largest. I'm gonna check it out. And they offer prop accounts. City Index. Oh, I see. Okay. City Index. Accounts. Standard. Do they offer proprietary trading? That's just a broker. Okay, no proper no prop accounts, just a broker. I see. Okay, looks like we're going back to this gap. I'm looking at gold and it seems like gold still wants to go lower. Interesting. I thought that gold wants to go higher. Look at that. We're gonna hit the 160. We might gonna hit the 160. Who knows? Alpha Capital is a prop firm. Oh. Iron Beam, yeah. Yeah, I heard that Alpha Capital is good. So, what is happening here? Okay, all right. 160, yeah. There we go. 40 points down. Did you trade it today? London drop. Yeah, I was only in a long. I tried to enter a long, then I exited break even, but I entered a long on gold, and the gold trade was good. So that was the only trade, but it was good. So I copy traded for 4 accounts, and it was good. Yeah. $160 is the target, I think. Should have held one runner here. Going for 160, I think. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I am calling it here. I'm up green everywhere. So I'm not gonna give back profit to the market. One step closer to payouts, and yeah, I call this an excellent and very, very good Monday. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow in the London session, so stay tuned. The show goes on, and if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. That helps a lot. Thank you very much. Don't forget, TickTickTrader 35% off on instant funded accounts, 50% off on Take Profit Trader, and Apex $83 for all the accounts, even the very big ones, the 300k accounts. Check it out. 71% I think, or 75 at Bulenox. MyFundedFutures 20% off starter account, 50k plus. Okay. Don't cry, Kirk. I'll be back tomorrow. All right. All right. Okay. Take care, everybody. Be safe, and God bless you all. I'll be back tomorrow for London. All right. Cheers, everyone.